Alright, have a nice day, guys. Today we have a lot to discuss and a lot to do. So, in this first part, I am not going to waste my time for this introduction. This is our final output here. We want to make that page quickly. In that case, we have three more different files to combine them and get this output. As I say, what are the three different files? We have to make our header file here in this part for one file for this part, and also one file for this content part, and one file for this footer. So let's go to the video. First I will show you how to make this header part with our header.php file. So let's open it. I especially want to thank you guys, support me. I will bring you some new videos. Those are so interesting. So let's go to video, guys. If I open my editor, you can see there's a brand new files there. This is also existing file, but these two are brand new. So let's go to our header.php file and see what's happening there. You can see I use HTML5 version to make these designs, and also I start tag HTML. I put that, and also in this head tags I put my meta tags here to adjust my screen for small devices, medium devices, and large devices. And I also link my style sheets there. You can see them. You can see Bootstrap CSS files and my own style file, and also a Bootstrap icon style file. And I also put my icon there. You can see. And if you go to our content part, we have some spans here. You can see this span, welcome, and our name. So if I show you, it is this, and there's another span, and there's another span. So you can see now there's a spans which are inside my div tags, and also there's a cell span. It is also inside the div. And now I am going to show you how I make this drop down. So you can see there's a little code here, but I don't code this. You can get this on your Bootstrap website, and using it is very friendly to get this. And you can type there drop downs, and type it and search it, and now you can see there's drop downs. So I get this style for my website. So you can see there's a code here. Now you can copy this file and paste in the editor and customize. If you whatever you want, you can customize. So they are three listed item, but in editor I add 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. I add 7 listed item in my editor. So we can customize this all, and I also add my div to classes, like how we can how do we want to show in our web page that drop down. So and I also rename my drop down like my eShop. You can see there its name is drop down button. Now you can see this, and I rename that as a my eShop. You can see there's I add some what I'm saying, I add some drop down items here, and now you can see we can also select them, and if we have a profile page, we can hide reference to our profile page using this href tag. And also if we have some product items, we can go to product page using this href, and also messages saved like this. And I also link my script files for this, and my own JavaScript file, and my bootstrap bundle.js file. So you can download bootstrap bundle.js with using this Bootstrap website, or googling it. You can you can find easy way to download it. So those are the all thing in my header page. So let's go to our footer page and see what's happened there. You can see also this is same as this head tag is same as header tag. You can see I don't link my own style sheet there. I only link Bootstrap CSS for this file. If I talk about my content in footer, you can see there's a footer tag. It is a special tag in PHP. You can put when you're making a footer for your web page, you can use this tag for the beginning. And I also put classes to my footer tag and add some divs there, and because I want to add paragraphs, and I want to add my details and my social media linking badges. Those all are I want to link those all. So I'm add some div spaces in my footer content. So if I show you my footer content, okay, now you can see my footer content. Don't worry, it's on top. We can get that below. Okay, I know this is embarrassing because footer page is on the top on the page. So but don't worry about that. We will fix it later because we are connecting this footer and header and also our content for one page. So in that case, this footer page goes to down the page, and our header page goes on top of the page, and content on the center of our page. So now let's see how to design this footer page, and after we can see how we can gather them all. Okay, let's go to this, and you can see I type each of like a title. So I put h5 classes, h5 tag for here, and add some classes for this, and after all I can get that output here. If you see this, this letter is in lower cases. So why is this in uppercase? I mean, thing is this text uppercase property. So this is the bootstrap property we can use to uppercase our letter in our web page. If we type a lowercase letter in our editor, but it shows uppercase letter in our web page. So that is the thing we have, and I had also text warning property for this each of letter, each of word, and it look like this. So also I add my paragraph tag here, and you can see there's a entity here, and trade entity, and if we add this and trade entity, we can see like this trademark symbol here. And if I add this and copy entity, you can see like this copyright mark here. So I add my paragraphs here, and also I add my social media badges in there. You can see there's Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, and Twitter. There's also Signal, Telegram, also all are in this footer content. So we can get these icons using our Bootstrap website. This is the main path we can get all of our styles easily. When we access to this Bootstrap website, you can see some words here, and it's floating, it's floating, yeah. And you can see this icon here. We can click this and go to this page, official icon page. So now you can see there's a couple of icons here. You can use it. And if you want to get Facebook icon, you have to type Facebook. You can see there's Facebook, Messenger, Meta symbols also. And if you want to Twitter, you can see this. Every icons in here. You can if I show you this, I click my Twitter patch here, and you can copy this link here and paste in a editor like this. Paste in a editor like this. I also add the styles to this icon because this is in small size. You can also change icon size like this. You can add the style attribute here, and you can change font size of icon, and you can see there's an anchor tag here. So we can extract our Facebook link to there, and if we click on this button, this icon, we can go to our Facebook. So we can link our Facebook icon to our website using this anchor tags. Now you can understand how to add some badges here, social media badges, and how you can add paragraphs in here. And also I want to show you this. This is my details. You can see there, contact us. These are details. These are fake details. We can add our address here, and also put a house icon here, and I get that house icon using my Bootstrap website. And also there's an email here. You can get email icons using this. And also I close my div and wind up this footer PHP file. So if I show you how to add our cart icon, we go to header page quickly, and you can see there's a cart icon here. I also make my own class here, cart icon. This is not Bootstrap class. This is my own class. We want to add something for our cart badge. I mean, we want to change cart size, change it position. We want to add our own style for this, and own class for this, and we go to own style CSS file, and you can see there's a cart icon here. This is the class what I add in a header page. So I get my background image, cart icon.svg. I get that image from there, Bootstrap website. So we can also download the svg files in Bootstrap website. So I download my svg file there and copy this like this, and that is how I add my cart icon to my web page. Alright guys, we already know what's going on our header page and our footer page. So now let's see what is in our content page. I mean, content page is this. This is our web page content. So you can see there's a header and there's also a footer, and this is my content. I will show you how to make this content easily. Let's go to video quickly. So when I open my content page, I name that page like a home.php. I connect my header file to this content page, and I also link my footer, you can see there I also link my footer to this page. So we are designing content page below the header. So previously videos I said Bootstrap styles doesn't work in our web page container. They are working, they are container fluid. So we want to add container fluid if we want to design with Bootstrap. So in this web page I'm going to make every design in Bootstrap file, Bootstrap styles. You can see there's a logo here, our eShop logo. I add it like this code. So you can see I add div and I add classes for that, and also I have made my own CSS class like logo, and I also set logo height to 60 pixel. And these all are Bootstrap styles we also talk about in our previous videos. So I set my logo height to 16 pixel. I want to make a drop down with search bar, so we don't need to design this search bar and drop down. We can also go to Bootstrap and you can search. You can type there input and search it. You can get this page, and now you can see there's a styles. I use this style for my web page. So there's a drop down here, and we can search everything what we want here. You can type here and you can search. Okay, I want this design, so you can copy this and paste there, and I want to customize it. I want to search these products from my database, so we want to use the select tag. And in next part I'm going to program this. It will be a backend engineering part. I'll bring you that video very soon. So I put select tag here. I set 250 pixel for my max width, and also I put form select class for the select tag. And let's execute this line and go to our search button. I made search button here. You can see I give a Bootstrap class for this search button. So I give button primary style for this search button. Now you can see our search button is in blue color. I want to go to advanced options. In here I remove my text decoration using this property, text decoration on. This is also a Bootstrap style, and I want to bold my text and give it a color like ash. Alright, so I made that link tag like that. So now you know how I design my search bar and drop down thing, and also you know how to make the search button and advanced button like this. And it means we all done with this header. And now let's go to see this slide. How do I make this slide? These are changing, you can see, but not rapidly. We have to wait some time to change it. So I'm not going to waste your time to show that. So you can see there's a couple of I know it's complicated, but I have no time to explain one by one. You can go to Bootstrap website and type cursor or what something. Okay.
Carousel.
Oh, carousel. Okay, whatever. You can get this carousel thing in a Bootstrap website, and now you can see there's a flight themes. They give it to us. They give it to developers. I got this. I got this, and I copy this text HTMLs and paste into my editor. And also there are some customizations I will show you. I add some resources I want to show you. I add these themes for my website. You can see these images. There's image, and also there's image, and there's image. So I add these three images in my resource file, and now I want to link my image file to there. So you can see there's an image tag here. It's a self-closing tag. We want to apply our image to there using this source attribute. So I do same thing for this tag and also this tag. So now you can see I add three different images like a slide, and I want to show you there are some my own style CSS parts. So let's find out. So there's a poster image one. It's my own style. So I put that style on there and set 500 pixel to there, and background repeat set to no repeat. So poster image one class for these three images. You can now see it changed. I add that style class for these three different images and set the height and background repeat, and also I add this title and paragraph like be free, experience the lowest delivery cost pizzas, and the world based online store by one click, like that. I add those thing I add those thing on my picture. So I want to customize this title and paragraph whatever I want. So if you need to style these two title and paragraph in our own way, you want to add your own style CSS for this. So I add poster title. You can see I set font weight bold and give black color, and set my font size to 50 pixel, and also paragraph things I set 20 pixel for font size and set gray color. You can see there's a gray color in this paragraph, and you can see title is in bold and black color in black. So these lines helps to change slide to slide. Now we want to add category names here. If I show you about the we can now talk about this style. You can see there's a cell phone and accessories. It's also click when it goes to some page, but I don't set any page. Because I don't have I don't know, because now I don't have any page to link that. After developing our web page, if we click on this cell phone and accessories paragraph, we are linking to another page, and also see all, we are also linking to another page. So reason that I don't have in file, I give this dash mark to hyperreference option and close it, and also give these entities, and this entity makes a space, and this and RAR entity makes arrow. You can see there's arrow, there's a one label here. After we are talking about these lines, we can add some 5 or more things for this. So let's see. I get some mobile images for my resources file. You can see there's mobile images, and now you can see there's a Huawei phone, and also there's iPhone and Oppo. There is some more things we have, and now let's connect to these labels. So you can see there's an image tag here and src attribute here. We can paste our image file link inside this source attribute, and I also set h5 tag here, and I type it there using my h5 tag, and use span tag to use this new option button. You can see it's in light blue color. That is why I put this bootstrap style for this new word. So that style is batch background info. If we give to this, if we give this bootstrap style, you can see our output like this, like a light blue and beautiful badge. There's a span, it means our price of font, and there is another paragraph tag. It shows that font is in stock and how many stocks available. You can see there, and I also add button to press buy. You can see this, it's in green color. We add this button success bootstrap style for this button, that is why it is in green color. So, and also we put this button dot danger bootstrap style for this add to cart button. So in that case you can see it in red color, and also I put heart fill icon to add that to wish list. We are programming that after in few videos. So today it's all about design. So we talk about more about design. You need to include your footer page to your home page, and also you want to link your bootstrap bundle.js script and your own script file to this page. And also I show you the header page. I also link my bootstrap bundle.js file in this page. Now you need to comment this or delete this. I comment this. So that's all, guys. In next video I'm going to talk about how we can program this home page, and we want to work those all. We want to, if you click there cell phone and accessories, we want to go to cell phone and accessories and search it. We want to go to advanced setting, and also we want to add our session management to this home page also. If we sign out, we don't have our name in our page, and after we sign in we can have this name in our page. So let's see that in next video. I hope you guys get some knowledge from that. This will be the longest video in my series. Hope you guys understand those well and enjoy my video. Support me and destroy that like button. Comment below if there are some issues with you. And if I want to add some new things here, I mean, I don't know if you prefer this method, I will go on it. If you comment some new things that I want to do, I will do that probably. Alright, thank you guys. I see you in the next video. Peace.
But wait, there's more.
And I also want to show you add some of these for my web page. Let's go to home page and get this thing, copy here and copy there. Let's see if there's output here. Yeah, there's output here. So I'm going to change this image. Let's see the Samsung S6 image. So I put there, why not Samsung, and like that. I don't know what's the price of Samsung S6. I imagine that is 1,10,000 maybe. And okay, whatever, I don't care. Samsung S6. These are 20 items available in this book, and by now okay guys, I think that's I set that images. Now it's good. I think that is problem. We are setting marginal top here. You can see there's empty 5, marginal top, empty means marginal top. So I add marginal top 5 here and doesn't add there. So let's see if I add marginal top here, and what you can see. Now you can see there's a thing. That is the thing. What we can have different size of labels. So let's go and fix that. Okay, now you can see there's a that is good. Okay guys, that is all I forgot to explain you. Hope you guys see you soon. Bye bye.